Hello, today is Wednesday, October 7th, and this is the Sphinx Forex review for October 6th and October 7th. I'm going to do 2 days. Alright, housekeeping, blog.sphinxforex.com. It links to Twitter, so if I tweet, the most recent will show right here, which I said this morning you should be buying $1, which that was a good call without even looking at a chart because I looked at the price of oil and gold. But anyway, you can sign up at Twitter at twitter.com Sphinx Forex. It's not signed in. But anyway, hang on one second. Password. Okay, sorry about that. And so get this out the way because I'll have to update that. So let's go ahead and look at the chart, and then again you can just sign up here and you can get you'll get the whenever I tweet you'll get notified, or if you just go to the blog you can see right here also. So pretty neat little feature we got hooked up with the blog. Alright, let's get to the charts. We'll look at yesterday first. Today's the what? 7th, so the 6th. So okay, here we go right here. Buying $1, you could have taken a long on this candle here when it breached this high, or either this high, one of the two. Definitely would have made your money. Your stop would have been 1 pip below here, so you would have never been compromised. So nice looking trade. So that's the Euro USD for yesterday. So then we'll go look at today. We'll just look at 15-minute charts since I'm doing 2 days. Let's see, 7, 6, 7. Okay, so Europe came on. We didn't make a new low here before the MACD turned over to the high side. Then we came back short again, which this was the New York session when I tweeted you should have been buying $1 in the short term. 15-minute chart is definitely a short term. So here we made a new. Actually, that wasn't a trade there. We made a new low, but that's kind of ugly because price came back across the 20. So this was a risky trade. If you took it, you might have taken a loss. I don't know if I would have taken it based off of this uncertainty. You had too much up and down whiplash. The trend never was intact. Then we came back long, and you had a buy. Let's see, came across. Yep, penetrated here, so you could have went long on the high here. Bang, and that's a winning trade. You missed that first one, you could have got in again here for the second one. So you had 2 long trades on the Euro USD later on. Let's look at the pound dollar, and then we'll go back to yesterday, the 6th. Okay, so London came on. You had the long again, this making a new high here, or yeah, you could have went high here. Your stop would have been 1 pip below here, kind of close, made you a little scared right there, but nevertheless your stop wasn't hit and you made your money. I would not have taken this trade here because it came across the 21 moving average. 20 moving average, sorry, not 21. And we came back short, which was for the New York's open. You never made a new low, so this was never a trade. So nothing to. Let's see. Actually, yeah. So nothing came across in the New York session. So yesterday, or last night, here we go. You had another short. You could have went short here. You should have been break even. Worst case scenario, if you went short on this new low. MACD went high, came back low again. This is kind of that same squiggly stuff. So I think, here's a 60-minute, 4 hours. So everything's pretty much green. So you really want to try to stay within the trend. If ever you see uncertainty like this, what's going on right here, I would advise maybe going to an hourly chart and see who's in control on the hourlies, where you could tell the bulls have been in charge of this chart for a while. So let's see, we go back. You want to do that? Okay, so you should have had longs again, just like on the Euro right here. You had to make new high, bang. You missed that one. This one came through. Okay, bang, right there. Long again, bang, made your money. So you had longs on the euro and the pound today, and they were both winning trades. Euro yen. Let's just look at today since we did a couple of days. I don't want to make this thing too long. Let's see. Europe opened up in here with short on the side. Here's you breached through the top EMA, so this made a new low. Stops 1 pip above here, bang. You wasn't even close to getting stopped out, and that was a nice trade. You could have got an easy 60 to 80 pips, but again, 2 times the stop. Came long. You could see, look how this downtrend. You would expect a retracement, so I don't think I would have taken a lot. You didn't have a trade, but I would not have taken that just because of the fact that you see who's in control of this currency right now, which is the bears. And then we came short again. This didn't breach, so it wasn't a new trade. It wasn't. You could, if you want to be risky and not let the candle or the wick of the candle go through and go short on a new low, you could have done. You still made money again. So euro yen was pretty clean today. Let's look at the Swiss, and we should have been short now, long yesterday. Here we go. New high right here. Made some. So you'd have been long and made your money here, and then just a little bit ago you could have been short right here and made your money again. So not too bad, looking pretty clean there as well. And then here is you can see gold was hot. This was the weekend. Actually, I don't know why this is something wrong with a malfunction with the chart, because that's not the weekend. Monday. Is this a 15 minute? Yeah, 50 minutes. So okay, I got a malfunction in my charting. But you can see gold made a huge run up. Actually, something's not wrong. No, it is. That's just the price of gold. This thing's up huge. I know gold's at all-time high or highs for years now. It's in like $1,040 an ounce. So that's why the Australian is so expensive right now. Gold is just off the charts right now. So another indicator. And then again, I pay attention to the price of gold and the price of oil as to whether I'm going to buy or sell a dollar. And that's when I typically tweet mid-morning what you guys should have been doing. So that's it for yesterday and today. So we'll see.